My name's Gareth Pearce. I'm a VFX Coordinator at Cinesite London. Cinesite works on a number of projects, from small indie films right up to blockbuster Hollywood movies. Every department that we work with uses ftrack in some sense. I mean, production is the one who drives it the most, but ftrack is the core of everything. We integrate it with as many systems as we possibly can. The bundle run system is tied very closely with all the programs we use, like Maya, Gaffer, Atoms. All of this is driven by ftrack statuses. We also use it as part of our review suite with RV. Where Cinesite is working on a shared show between two facilities, say London and Montreal, ftrack allows us to communicate with our counterparts and be absolutely sure that we're looking and speaking about the same things. Certainly, working with ftrack is the only way that we'd be able to work on projects as complex as we have done. Without it, it would just be a blizzard of emails and spreadsheets. It would be impossible.